Welcome friends, my name is Niraj Kapase. So welcome to my channel Niraj Kapase. So today I am going to unbox you a Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3i laptop. So this is a 10th generation Core i5 laptop with 103G1 processor in it. The clock rate is 1.0 GHz base and it is expandable up to 3.6 GHz turbo boost. It is a 4-core 6 MB cache. The very good advantage of this laptop is it is preloaded with Windows Home with Office as well. Pre-installed Home Office is there with student version 2019. The memory and storage we talk about, it is having 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. Also, it is having 1 TB of internal hard disk available with this. So it is having two slots with 4 GB and 4 GB of RAM. And about the screen, it is having 15.6 inch anti-glare screen. Okay, and it is a very slim laptop. It is just 1.99 centimeter thin, and the weight of this laptop is 1.85 kg only. Also, it is having a webcam and it is having shutter control for the webcam for the privacy. It comes up with 1.5 watt 2 audio speakers integrated on the motherboard, 2 USB ports and which are of 3.0 and 1 USB port which is of 2.0. Integrated HDMI, mic, headphone, SD readers and all. Okay, so this laptop comes up with 1 year of warranty. So I will unbox this laptop. You can buy this laptop from Amazon and the cost of this laptop is around 50,000 only. Okay, so I will unbox it. I will show you in detail features of the laptop. I will open this. Right, so it is having two sides, two compartments. One is with the adapter. So I will explain you the adapter. What is there inside the adapter? I'll take it out. The adapter is integrated here. Okay, the long cable is there, and very good thing is about the plug is attached here only. This is 20 volt adapter, DC adapter. You can look at this 20 volt DC adapter with 230 volts input. The Lenovo logo is printed here, and a micro pin is available here. Okay, so micro pin is available. Okay, I will keep it aside. Now I will take out the laptop. It's very slim laptop. Okay, so nice protective cover for the laptop is silver in color, gray silver. Okay, the safety guard and warranty guide is there. Then Windows 10 license distribution and the setup guide is available in this. Okay, I will keep it aside. Then I will take it out the laptop. Okay, very nice body, very slim. You can observe it's too slim laptop. You can observe the dimension is just 2 centimeter. Okay, and the weight is just 1.85 kg. Okay, the shining back is there. The Lenovo logo is printed here on the badge. Okay, I will open the laptop. Nice. So I'll take it. Protective screen. Keep it aside. It is having 15.6 inch screen. Very slim edges are there, so it's very nice screen. It is anti-glare functionality available. Also, it is having here a webcam, so I can remove the sticker now from the webcam. Okay, so here it is a webcam and there is a shutter control for the webcam, so you can off the webcam and you can on the webcam from here. Okay, so there is a shutter control. You can observe the switch is available here for the shutter control, so for a privacy it is very useful. Then it is having a keypad with all numpad available here. Then we have all the keys, very nice and smooth keypad. The function keys are available here on the top. We can adjust the brightness control, we can adjust the volume control from here, and we can screen on and off, touch trackpad on and off, flight mode. Then we can take photo off and on, that functions are available. We can have a lock function is available here. Also a very nice and stylish design. Here it is a trackpad, it is a multifunctional trackpad, multi-touch trackpad is available. On this side it is mentioned Lenovo Ideapad, the privacy shutter control, then Dolby audio is there. There are two speakers with 1.5 watt, and the Lenovo support QR code is available here. Also the Core i5 logo is attached, sticker is fixed here, and the Lenovo logo is available here. Okay, so now we can see the ports. It's very slim, it is just 2 centimeter width. We have here a DC jack input, we have HDMI out, so you can connect to TV or a projector. There are 2 USB 3.0 and 1 USB 2.0. Then here it is a turn on LEDs indicator is available here. Okay, it's very slim in size. Alright, then on this side we have SD card slot. We can insert a SD card. Here it is a 3.5mm audio jack, so we can insert audio jack and a mic. So mic input is also available here. On the back side, I will turn it around. So we have here two speakers. Then battery is integrated. There is a slots are available for fan, exist, and then we have here a QR code and a Windows logo available here. Okay, so this is a pre-installed with Windows and Office. Alright, so battery is integrated and the edges are very good this side. Okay, and also the fence is available. Okay, vent is available, so that the cooling is very good for this particular laptop. So I will open and turn on now with the first on. So I will plug in with the power. Here it is a DC jack, so I can attach the input. Once I turned on, the on LED is on here. Okay, you can observe this. Now here it is the on button, so I can press it. Okay, so white LED will glow inside the button as well. Turned on, Lenovo logo is displayed and Windows is loading. It's having preloaded Windows in SSD. So it's having 256 GB of SSD and 1 terabyte of hard disk available. So total storage is 1.256 GB. That is 1256 GB. Okay, it's turning on. So I will just configure it and then we'll see again the screen and features of this particular laptop. Okay, it's turned on.
Hi there, I'm Cortana and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
So I need to change it to India. So I'll go up or put I. Here it is India. So select this, click S.
Your keyboard is set to
Pause. Your name and then click on the next button.
Okay, now
then
type
put
the
a password
for your account.
1 2 3 4 5 6 I kept.
And one more time to make sure we've got it right.
Okay, then it asks
Now you can
for
set
the
up
3
three
questions.
security questions
So
to
you
help
can
you
have
reset your password. if
any
you forget
questions.
it. Choose the first question and type your answer. Now for the second one. Same drill. Third one's a charm. Choose your last question, type the answer, and you're good to go.
Okay, done with the settings. Click on next.
These are the settings Microsoft.
Accept it.
Windows can save your.
Click on yes.
Hey, look, that's me.
Accept it.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates.
So this is the starting. So it will take several minutes for turn on, but it's fast because of SSD. So this first opens the edge for configuration. Okay, now we can have get started. We can have click next and then done with this settings. So this is not connected, that's why it's not open. So I can show you the properties of this. So first I will click on personalize and then theme. I will create a desktop icons. So for this here desktop icon settings is available. So I will turn on my computer, users, features, network and everything. So click apply, click OK, just close this, refresh the things, just right click on my PC and then the properties. It is preloaded with McAfee, so 1 month McAfee is there. So it is Core i5 1035G1 GPU with 1 GHz and 1.19 GHz, boost up to a 3.0 GHz, 8 GB of RAM, 64-bit processor. Okay, and the number you will get, it is licensed Windows, and we need to activate Windows with an internet. Just minimize this. I will show you the hard disk. So here this SSD, Windows SSD is available with 256 GB, and a separate hard drive is also available that is of 1 terabyte. Okay, so it is very nice version and very slim. You can use it for both the applications, for your office use, also for personal use as well. This laptop is having a screen with 180 degree of rotation, so you can rotate the screen up to 180 degree. So it is a flat screen, very slim, so you can observe that. Okay, so I kept the screen and it's very slim one. It's just 1.99 centimeter. Okay, so you can do a flat 180 degree tilt. Hinges are very good. Okay. Okay, thank you for listening. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening.